How do you write the results of the study section of a research paper? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we start this topic about how to write the results section of your research paper, we need to clarify some things first. Some universities have their own prescribed format in writing a thesis or dissertation. Results and discussion sections are sometimes separated. So you will have your results of the study section, then after that, your discussion section. Then there's that format that combined these two. So you do not have a separate section for results and discussion. They are combined. This video is about results section only. When I say how to write the results section of your study, I only mean the data that you have gathered from your participants. Alright, so how do we write the results of the study part of your research paper? First, you need to go back to your research problem. What's your main research problem? What are your specific research problems? I do suggest that you begin your results with a general results of your study. What was the main thing that you discovered after gathering your data? You start from there. You have to make sure that each research problem is answered because that's how you'll be assessed by your panel. A good research is one that is able to address all research problems. Second, you need to arrange your results in descending order. This means you begin with the most important result and end with the least important. Why is this so? Because we do assume that your readers do not have all the time in the world to read your paper. If they simply read a few paragraphs of your results, will they be able to grasp what the study is all about? Or will they be convinced to read the rest of their results section? Third, never ever begin with a table. A lot of beginners in research simply report tables in the results section. You wouldn't find any explanations to their tables, just plain, boring tables. You have to understand, tables are just supplementary information. You are not required to express your results in tables if they can be explained clearly by text. I repeat, tables are not required in a results section. However, they may be needed to clarify or elucidate some points you expressed in your results. Therefore, you explain your results first in words, then add a table to make it clearer. Most of the time, a table is included because not all information are explained in the text, only the extreme results. Therefore, a table helps present the in-betweens. Take note, you explain a section first before you add the table. These table must follow the paragraph or section where it was mentioned. If you mention that particular table on the bottom page, or rather on the bottom of page 3, then your table must appear on the closest possible page, which is page 4. Do not put your table way farther from where it was mentioned. Next, avoid redundancy. This means that if you are able to express your results clearly in words, do not include a table anymore. You only include a table if you did not explain all of your data. Usually, you're only expected to report on the highest or the lowest data. In other instances, you're only reporting the odd or strange result or the most surprising one. Therefore, you need to provide the other data through a table. Last but not least, you should make sure you stick with the data gathered during your data gathering. This is not the section where you explain why such result happened. There's a section for that and we call it discussion section of the study. In the latter, you explain why such result happened. You use your theories or conceptual framework to help explain the result along with the findings of previous research. I hope this vlog helps in writing your results section. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!